Hey folks, my name's Kevin and welcome to the Baritone tutorial for House of the Rising Sun, made famous by the Animals. In this tutorial, we'll learn the chords, the strumming pattern, and as a bonus, we're even going to learn how to fingerpick this one. So get yourself tuned up, let's dive right in. All right, we're going to kick things off by learning the chords that you'll need for the entirety of the song. We'll start off here with an A minor chord. So A minor sounds like this. I'm using my middle and my ring finger on the D and G string of the second fret, my index finger on the B string of the first fret. So again, A minor should sound like this. Keep your fingers nice and upright for this chord. Don't lay down on those bottom strings. The next chord is a C chord. I'm going to stay in my A minor here and show you this one because all I do is take my ring finger off and I keep my middle and index finger down. And there's my C major chord. My third chord is a D major chord here. So using a nice hand tilt towards the headstock, I have my middle finger on the E string of the second fret, my index on the G string of the second fret, my ring finger on the B string of the third fret. You want that thumb on the back of the neck intersecting the chord to get a nice good pressure on the fretboard. The fourth chord, oh, you're gonna love this one. This is an F major. So the F major chord is a bar chord, and we use our index finger to bar the bottom two strings of the first fret, our middle finger on the G string of the second fret, ring finger on the third fret of the D string. It should sound like this. If you prefer, you can bar the entire fret. If that helps you, I would recommend putting your thumb right behind your index finger on the back of the neck here to help you get good pressure on that chord. And then our final chord, an easy one finger, the E7 chord is played here with our index finger on the first fret of the G string. And those are the chords you need for the entirety of the song. Now that we've learned the chords, we're going to dive into the intro section. So in this demonstration, I'll be finger picking through the chords in the intro, then I'll teach you how to do the finger picking pattern, and then we'll do it together. So here we go. All right, let's learn this finger picking pattern. So I'll be demonstrating with an A minor chord throughout this. So let's get in good finger picking position now. And to do that, we start by placing our pinky on the bottom of the instrument on the body, right beneath the sound hole. You want to make sure that your forearm, wrist, and top of your hand are all very flat. You don't want to have an arc. And you also want to make sure that your forearm is braced up against the instrument. So all these mechanics are really going to help you as you finger pick. Now to take a look at the pattern, I'm going to place my thumb on top of the D string, my index underneath the G string, my middle finger underneath the B string, and my ring finger underneath the E string. So with our fingers, we label them thumb as P, index is I, middle finger is M, and ring finger is A. So it's P, I, M, A as we go. And this will all be on the screen for you to check out as well. So the pattern is pretty cool and it's pretty easy. So we just start by going P, I, M, A, and then we come back up M, I. So it's P, I, M, A, M, I. So you're going D string, G string, B string, E, and then back up. So let's play the A minor chord together, and we'll just play through this. When we count in this song, because the song is in 6/8, I'm going to give a 6 count in before we start rather than the normal 1, 2, 3, 4. So to start here, we'll do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And that's how you're going to count the pattern as well. So holding down an A minor chord, here we go nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So when when we play this now with the intro, we're going to do that pattern one time per chord. So every time we do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that equals one time. All right, now that you've had a little time to practice the finger picking pattern, we're going to use this over the intro section. So just follow along on the chords below, and we'll go through this nice and slow. Again, I'm going to use a 6 count to come in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. D, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. F, 2, 3, 5, 6. A minor, E7. A minor, E7. If you're digging the sound of my uke, head over to AllForUke.com/shop. You can have a Kala ukulele for yourself. When you buy your Kala ukulele through AllForUke, you're supporting us, and we really appreciate it. Make sure you check it out. Concerts, sopranos, tenors, baritones, a wide selection of accessories, capos, and more. All for you, AllForUke.com/shop. Let's talk about the verse section now. So we've learned the finger picking pattern, which you could use throughout the entirety of the song, but I want to give you the option of the strumming pattern as well, because it's pretty fun. So I'll be using an A minor chord again to demonstrate here, and the strumming pattern also will be in 6/8. So the pattern is down, down, up, down, up. So that equals one time. So I would count that 1, 2, and 3, and. Now, if I wanted to make that a 6/8 pattern, I would just do it twice. I would go 1, 2, and 3, and 4, 5, and 6, and. But to make it a little simpler for you, we'll just count it 1, 2, and 3, and here. So this pattern will be used throughout the entirety of the song, so you don't have to do anything new, but I also want to mention here is when you do this pattern, to really give it that feel of a waltz, is you want to make sure that first down strum is a little heavier than the rest of the strums. So to demonstrate here, I would go 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3, and 1, 2, and 3. And all that means is I'm adding a little more emphasis on that first down strum. So that's what's going to give it that nice swaying motion throughout the tune. So when you're practicing this, really put your ear on that as you go. So now we know the strumming pattern. Let's go through this verse section together. You'll see all the chords on the screen. I'll give us a 6 count in here. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. C, D, F, A minor, C, E7, 2, 3, 4, back to A minor. You're doing great. Here we go to the C, D, with an A minor, E7, A minor. I hope you had fun learning House of the Rising Sun on your baritone. We learned how to finger pick, we learned the chords, we learned the strumming pattern. You got all the stuff you need to play through the entire song. And if you want to play through the entire song, go over to AllForUke.com, where we have a full dedicated play along for our members there, as well as a PDF song sheet you can download and play as well. I also want to mention to leave your comments in the comments section below. Let me know where you're playing. What kind of baritone do you play? Do you play standard tuning? Let me know. My name's Kevin. I really appreciate you learning with me. I'll see you next time.
Meet me down by the seaside. We can howl at the moon rise. Watch as the tide strolls